channel. I know I haven't done an update on IOTA in a while, but anyway, you're not going to be disappointed with this video. Yes, I do believe we're going to 5x minimum from here, and let me explain why. Make sure you watch till the end of this video. With that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, turn the bell notification on so you can stay up to date on all my recent videos. Remember guys, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice, to always make sure to do your own research. Firstly, let's have a look at where price is. I know from the last video, it may seem like we haven't made much progress or we haven't made much movement, but what's significant now is we're now above the $1.42 area. And I did say this was a significant area. If you saw our video before that, you obviously would have made over 200% on the rally to this target 1, and now we're approaching the target 2 area, which is $2.30. But before I actually get into the price action on that, let's look at some of the price data, some of the token metrics that we can measure. Now I will say this, there hasn't been any major fundamental data that I can tell you guys about. Yes, there's a few partnerships and a few things happening here and there, but nothing major, right? So nothing like a Coinbase listing or something along those lines that can really affect price and the momentum of price. So the good news is we're now, I believe, just above, there you go, 40, sorry, not 40, that would be incredible, a $4 billion market cap. As you can see, this is good news. We're moving in the right direction. The trading volume is increasing day by day, which is obviously what's needed. So again, very small circulating supply for this project, 2.7 billion, and this project has been around for quite some time. So if you've been in the market since 2017, you would have remembered this massive bull run. And of course, 2018, we saw the sell-off, and now we're essentially moving back to the upside. Now, again, for you, if you've just got into IOTA this year or even in 2019, then there's nothing to complain about because you're in profit. But the people that really are hurting at the moment are the people that bought in at 2017 and maybe didn't get in around, maybe they got in around the $4.50 area or maybe even the $3 area. So they're hoping that price can rally sooner than later. So let me get into some of the price action now. And let's just have a look at what's happening. Number one, we've got a morning star forming on the weekly time frame. And I've actually circled that so that everybody can see that. And I've been mentioning this in all my videos. This is very significant because this is a buying pattern, right? So from a technical perspective in the stock, foreign exchange market, most markets, this sort of candlestick formation is a buying formation. If you want to learn more about that, click the link in my bio, send me a message because we teach all of this. Now, as you can see, we're above the $1.42 area. So what's actually happening? Number two, we can actually draw out a significant weekly trend line that's been breached here, and this is what's essentially been retested, right? And I kept saying that this weekly trend line has been broken, retested. So this is a break, retest, and then hopefully now we see the continuation to the upside. So what can we expect? If we were to draw out our Fibonacci retracement tool, I'm going to do that now, and I'm going to do it from our lowest low to the highest high, which I've already done. So I draw that in. We're now at the we're just above the 38.2 Fibonacci level. Well, we're approaching the 38.2 Fibonacci level, sorry. So that is our next key level. So you can see our Fibonacci target is in alignment with our actual price target, which is music to your ears and should be music to everyone's ears really, because it shows that we can utilize technicals and we can bring that into this market to anticipate and predict where price could go next. Now there's a lot more to this, guys. This isn't just you pull out Fibonacci and hope for the best. I'm going to get more into that as these videos start to progress and I get really in depth with you guys as a community. And remember, the VLC network, we're up over 1,000% for the year. So 2,000% now. So make sure you send me a message to find out more information about that. So what can we expect? Next target, $2.30. I'm not going to put a timing on it because as you can see, this is still ranging, right? It's still ranging but the next breakout will be that sharp move that we've all been waiting for. And I do expect price to rally over 5x. And again, you may not believe it, you may not want to believe it, but when it happens, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I missed out on this opportunity. A lot of people are still sleeping on IOTA, and I can't imagine why, because this project has at least proved that it can bounce back from that 2018 turmoil, and it's still trending to the upside. It's been fairly stable even when the crypto market has been selling off as well, which is always good news, you know, when you're parking your capital somewhere. So that's also good. So we're keeping a very, very close eye on price action. Again, I couldn't update you on new price changes because there hasn't been any real major price change. We're only up over 7% for the day so far. But once that breakout does happen, we're going to do a lot more analysis on this, and we can map out some day-to-day price action as well. But long term, this, I believe, will 5x, and 5x pretty fast. We're just waiting for more money to be poured into the cryptocurrency space to take advantage of that. So we're keeping a close eye on that. But just from a technical perspective, we've now broken above this resistance area, which was very, very significant. I kept saying to you guys, and look, we're above that. You know, even when prices move above, we quickly bounce back. So this is our next target area, $2.30. But if you're in this for the long term, the next target will be that 5x. It will be that next 5x target, and that's what I'm mainly counting on. This $2 target for me is not exciting, right? It's only, I believe, 55 to 60%. Let's have a look. There we go. Just over 60%. You know, that's great for short-term price movement. For the long term, we want that price X. We want that all-time high on this project. With that being said, guys, when others are fearful, be greedy. When others are greedy, be fearful. At the moment, I don't see fear. I don't see greed. I see significant undervalue, and that's why we're buying this up. With that being said, guys, seize the day.